million miles away. Yeah, I'm already gone.
Just let me out this sunlight. I love the way it makes me come alive.
Hey boo, hey, I'm back with some human hair drip. I almost said from one of my most favorite companies, but y'all, they literally are in my top 2 most favorite human hair wig companies. I absolutely love Beauty Forever because of what they bring us, the quality, but they also step out there with different colors, different styles, and the ease, because they know I ain't no wig slay, I'm a wig play, I can't comb hair. So thank you, Beauty Forever, for sending this one over. If y'all look down in the description box, you'll see a direct link to this wig, the details on this wig, all that good stuff. All I did was take it out of this shipping packaging. So I'm not sure what this is. If you, like I said, look in the description box. Not only did they send us the wig, y'all, they sent us a headband, some stocking caps, another little bag. Hold on, girl, shut up. Let me open it. Another little bag with a bonnet and some eyelashes. And them little extras do matter. I don't care what nobody says. It might be $5 worth of goods, but it matters. I'm just reading straight off of here, but look in the description box. This wig is 24 inches long, and it's a Kinky Straight wig, which we ain't done no Kinky Straight hair in such a long time. And 24-inch hair, y'all know I'm usually comfortable around that. If I do 18 inches, I feel like I'm, really stunned like my daddy. I'm just taking out the shipping, y'all. I will say that this hair looks gorgeous straight out of the pack. Y'all, look how pretty that is, huh? And it smells good too, because that's the thing. They be smelling, sometimes they smell like an old opossum, okay? Look how full this is. Y'all, the density on this gotta be high too. It doesn't say it on here, but like I said, look in the description box. The cap construction, you get a comb in the back, adjustable straps, and in the front, gosh, this is pretty. You get a comb here to the right, a comb to the left, and all this part space. I want to say that's a 13 by 6, could be a 13 by 7, could be a 13 by 948. I don't know. You also get some baby hairs on there. Y'all, 24 inches long and Kinky Straight. Y'all, this is a lot of hair. Hey, I'm 5'5", and I got on my bad bra like always, and this is where it falls on me. How pretty is that texture? There's the hairline up close. Because you get all that parting space, you can part this, of course, wherever. You can pull some back. Y'all, this is so pretty. Let's cut off this lace, and then I will come back with my final thoughts. Y'all, I'm back with my final thoughts on this wig, and this is giving natural hair, goddess, big hair, don't care vibes. This is absolutely gorgeous. Now, it's 24 inches long, so this is definitely a head turner when you walk in somewhere. All I did was swoop a few of them baby hairs, put some powder in that part, and this is what we came up with. The texture on this is absolutely just gorgeous. The other thing, I know 1000%, and y'all know I ain't gonna say no dream. I know 1000% this looks like a lot of hair, and it does feel like a lot of hair. It does, but y'all know I'm used to having like 16 inches of hair on me. So even if you got it short, I think it would be not there. You'll look kind of wonky there, but I think, you know, a little bit shorter would probably work for me. This hair is also so beautiful because you get that parting space. You can pull some half up, half down. I love everything about this wig. I sprayed a little bit of water on it, and can you see how it's starting to wave up? Let's see what happens if I do it on camera. Will it happen to? Will it? Okay, no, maybe I made that up. I clearly made that up. Let me spray the rest of it though. I guess it just tames it down a little bit. So this side is dry, this side has a little bit of water on it. That being said, I do think that this will be some bomb vacation hair, y'all. Absolutely gorgeous. Let me spray this other side, just because now I look crazy with one side of my head kind of slicked down, don't I? Do I recommend this wig? Yes. But I'm gonna be honest with y'all, that's just about any wig that I do get from Beauty Forever. I think that their hair is so pretty. So I can 1000% recommend this one. If you look in that description box, you'll see a direct link to this unit. Oh, it's starting to kink up a little bit. Y'all look. You know that me ain't tacked it down. Look at that. It's starting to. Okay. So yes, I can definitely 1000% recommend this one. Like I always say, you might not even be into wigs. Maybe it's your cousin, whoever. Send them my way, and me and Beauty Forever will get them right. That's pretty. Until next time, y'all.